Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to learn fast food making. To begin, focus on mastering fundamental kitchen safety and hygiene. You will need to understand how to properly clean and sanitize all surfaces and equipment. Next, familiarize yourself with essential fast food tools, such as deep fryers, griddles, and food processors. Finally, start learning the core recipes and precise portion sizes for popular items like burgers, fries, and shakes. This foundational knowledge is crucial for your success. Now, let's dive into mastering key techniques. Consistent food quality comes from practicing precise cooking times and maintaining correct temperatures. For example, fries often require frying at 350 degrees Fahrenheit for about 3 minutes. Develop efficient assembly line techniques to fulfill orders quickly, aiming for 20-second average per item. Also, learn proper food handling and storage methods to ensure freshness and prevent any spoilage. Safety and operational efficiency are paramount in fast food. Always adhere strictly to all food safety regulations, including temperature control for hot and cold holding. Maintaining a clean and organized workstation is vital for a smooth workflow and preventing cross-contamination. For instance, keep separate cutting boards for raw and cooked foods. Furthermore, understanding basic inventory management helps minimize waste and ensures you always have necessary ingredients on hand. To truly excel, consistent practice is key. Actively seek feedback from experienced colleagues. Their insights can help you refine your techniques and improve efficiency. Practice consistently to enhance your speed and accuracy in every task, from prepping ingredients to assembling complex orders. Consider cross-training in different kitchen stations, like the grill or prep area, to broaden your skill set and become a more versatile team member. This dedication will foster significant career growth.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.